Raul Ruiz in the number 3 spot. Yellow and green. Jordan Lackey right behind him. In the black and red. 130 now, 530 to go. Leader on 27.707. Ruiz on 26.7 flat. Last lap on track right now. Owen 15.7. Ruiz 15.8. Pushing out wide again, that's going to hurt right down his rear wing. With 230 now, 430 to go. 1 and 2, Hunter around the receiver. Owen giving it a little sideways. Ruiz now to the inside with a nice pass. Owen down to the inside. Ruiz taking it right back. 245 down, 4:15 to go. 1 and 2, putting on a show right now. Owen looking for the overtop. Both taking different lines through there. Ruiz with a double single, Owen with a triple. Jordan now getting upside down. That's going to hit. Ruiz a little more right now. 345 down. 3:15 to go. We got 2 backers on track now. 3 and 4 going out the sweeper. 1 and 2. We're going to wait up. Ruiz still holding on to the fast lap right now, 15.7. Owen also with 15.7. Raul with 15.9. Nobody else sub 16 currently. Race number 5, 17.5 intermediate. 17.5 intermediate. 2 go buggy. You're on deck. We get Washington in the centers. Good. 4:30 down, 2:30 to go, drivers. 4:30 down, 2:30 to go. There you go. Owen Raul Ruiz top